Have you ever wondered how he figured out the speed of light? It's not like you can just point a speed gun at a sunbeam. For centuries, people thought light was instantaneous. But a few brilliant minds proved otherwise, and their stories are fascinating. Our journey begins in the 17th century with a Danish astronomer named Ole Rachmer. While observing Jupiter's moon, Io, he noticed something peculiar. The timing of Io's eclipses seemed to change depending on Earth's position in its orbit. When Earth was moving away from Jupiter, the eclipses happened later than predicted. When it was moving closer, they happened earlier. Rachmer realized this wasn't about the moon's speed, but about the time it took for the light from Io to travel the extra distance to reach us. It was a revolutionary idea. By calculating this delay, he made the very first reasonable estimate of the speed of light. He didn't have the precise distance to the sun, so his number wasn't perfect, but he proved that light has a finite speed. Fast forward nearly 200 years to France, where two physicists took on the challenge with incredible ingenuity. First up, Armand Fizeau, who in 1849 decided to measure the speed of light right here on Earth. He set up a light source and a mirror about 8 kilometers apart. Between the light and the mirror, he placed a rapidly spinning toothed wheel. The idea was simple but brilliant. A pulse of light would pass through a gap in the wheel, travel to the mirror, and reflect back. If the wheel spun at just the right speed, the returning light would be blocked by the next tooth. By knowing the wheel's speed and the distance, Fizeau calculated a value for the speed of light that was only about 5% off the modern value. Just 1 year later, his colleague Léon Foucault refined the method. Instead of a toothed wheel, Foucault used a spinning mirror. This allowed for much higher rotational speeds and required a much shorter distance. The tiny deflection of the returning light beam, caused by the mirror's rotation, was the key. Foucault's experiment was so precise that he was even able to prove that light travels slower in water than in air, which was a huge piece of evidence supporting the wave theory of light. His result was incredibly accurate, within 1% of today's accepted value. From the orbits of distant moons to spinning cogs and mirrors, the quest to measure the speed of light is a testament to human curiosity and genius. These pioneers laid the groundwork for Einstein and modern physics. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through scientific history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.